Hi there, you're now watching Chinese with LCL, and I'm Mavis from Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. What's the first thing you do when you meet someone new? Let me guess. Introduce yourself? Introducing oneself is important when making new connections because it helps people get to know each other better. So in this video, let's learn some simple Mandarin Chinese phrases to convey basic information about yourself. First thing first, tell your name. The Mandarin Chinese ways to say my name is or I am would be 我的名字是 so and so or 我是 so and so, or you can say 我叫 so and so. 我的 means my, 名字 is name, 是 is the to be verb. 我的名字是 plus your name here means my name is, insert your name here. 我的名字是 Mavis means my name is Mavis. 我 means I, 是 is the to be verb. 我是 means I am. 我是 plus your name here means I am, insert your name. 我是 Mavis means I'm Mavis. 我 means I. 叫 here means to be called. 我叫 means I'm called. 我叫 plus your name here means I'm called, your name here. We can translate it as this is so and so. 我叫 Mavis means this is Mavis. Next, tell your age. Simply say 我. Insert the number of your age here plus 岁. 我 means I, 岁 is years old. 我20岁 means I'm 20 years old. A quick note here, you can omit the to be verb 是 as a more natural way to describe your age in Mandarin Chinese. Instead of 我是20岁, we usually say 我20岁. Or you can say 我今年20岁, which means I'm 20 years old this year. I think we can assume that when you are learning a new language, you'll encounter people from various cultures who are also trying to pick up this new language. So sharing about your background is a great way to connect with people and get to know each other better. To share about where you're from, you can say 我从 plus the name of the country you're from plus 来的. 我从 name of the country 来的 means I'm from this country. 我 means I. 从 plus 来的 means came from. 我从 this place 来的 means I'm from this place. 我从日本来的 I'm from Japan. 我从澳洲来的 I'm from Australia. 我从西班牙来的 I'm from Spain. Or you can say 我是 plus the name of the country you're from plus 人. 我是 the name of the country, 人. 我是 means I am, and when we describe the nationality in Mandarin Chinese, we add the word 人, which means person, after the name of the country to make it a nationality. For example, 日本 means Japan. 日本 plus 人, 日本人 is Japanese. 我是日本人 I'm Japanese. 我是澳洲人 I'm Australian. 我是西班牙人 I'm Spanish. So where do you live? To reply, you can say 我住, insert the place here. 我住台北 means I live in Taipei. 我住中山区 means I live in Zhongshan District. 我住台湾 means I live in Taiwan. And what do you do? To answer about your profession, you can say 我是, insert your profession here. 我是 means I am. 我是 plus your profession here means I do this for a living. 我是交换学生 means I'm an exchange student. 我是外派员 I'm an expat. 我是内容创作者 I'm a content creator. To share more about your job, you can further clarify by saying 我在 insert the name of the company 工作. 我 means I, 在 means at. 工作 means to work. 我在 this company 工作 means I work at this company. 我在 Google 工作 means I work at Google. 我在 AIT 工作 means I work at AIT. Besides your background, it'll also be a good idea to share things that are a little more personal about yourself when connecting with people. To share about your hobbies, you can say 我喜欢 plus a hobby of yours here, which is usually an action. 我 means I, 喜欢 means to like. 我喜欢 plus an action here means I like doing this action. 我喜欢看书 means I like reading. 我喜欢爬山 means I like hiking. 我喜欢旅游 means I like traveling. Another great conversation starter to connect with others is talking about food. You can say 我喜欢吃. Insert the food or the type of food here to share about your preference. 我 means I, 喜欢 means to like, 吃 means to eat. 我喜欢吃 plus the food here means I like eating this particular food. 我喜欢吃寿司 means I like eating sushi. 我喜欢吃薯条 means I like eating fries. 我喜欢吃冰淇淋 means I like eating ice cream. So we talked about how to introduce yourself in Mandarin Chinese by saying your name, your age, where you're from, where you live, what you do for a living, your hobbies, and the food you love. Is there anything else you'd like to learn? Tell us in the comments. If you're looking for online or offline courses to learn Mandarin Chinese, check out the links in the description box or go to ltl-school.com for more information. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!